I decided to go for a ride January 3rd from Graham, Washington, up to Electron by Mount Rainier, and then over to Evans Creek. That didn't work out so well. The newness is gone. I took a stumble or a tumble in the snow right there. So yeah. Well, I took a dump, broke my light, scratched it up a little bit, but I think I'm gonna live.